Shine family, hope you're well. Today I'm really excited to tell you guys that I have launched my own lash line. I also launched 2 game changer products, but before I talk about the game changer products, I want to talk about my lash line. I have launched 16 different lash styles. I also introduced 5D lashes which are really unique. These kind of styles are not really common, but I really want to introduce you guys these kind of styles as well. I personally like this style. As you guys know, I've been in this industry for a long time, so I know what kind of lash styles people like. Some people like kind of really simple kind of lash styles. Some people, they like dramatic lashes, really thick long lashes. So when I was in process to choose a lash styles for my company, I wanted to make sure that I cater everyone. I consider all type of eye shapes and also consider what kind of lash style people like and dislike. So these all lashes are handmade, cruelty free. Are you guys ready for our game changer product? Here it is. This is our liner. This is not the normal regular liner. This is 3-in-1 liner. The formula of this liner is very unique. I just blown away when I have seen the result of this liner and the formula as well. This liner is 3-in-1. When you apply this liner, you can pop your lashes on straight away without any glue. You don't need any glue. This is, let me tell you one thing, this is latex free and this is glue free formula. You can pop your magnetic lashes on. You can use non-magnetic strip lashes, normal regular lashes on, or you can use individual lashes. If you don't want to apply lashes, you can use this as a liner as well, because this formula is 3-in-1. So magnetic lashes, non-magnetic strip lashes, individual lashes, and you can use as a liner. We also launched these 2 liners. These 2 liners are made for our strip lashes. It looks like this. This one looks like this. This is transparent. If you don't like liner, then you can apply liner. It will come out kind of transparent and you can pop your lashes on. So with this formula you cannot use magnetic lashes. You can only use non-magnetic lashes with this formula. Our liners are smudge proof, waterproof, and wind proof. I would prove you in this video. Whenever we apply lashes, we always put the lash glue and wait for a few minutes to get the lash glue techie. But for this formula, there is no any wait time. Just apply your liner, pop your lashes on, that's it. This is our second game changer product. This is our quick lash applicator. This lash applicator is going to make your life so much easier. This is going to be your best friend. Once you will apply lashes with this applicator, quick lash applicator, then I promise you will not go back to the traditional method. This is going to be your best friend. This is going to make your life so much easier. If you're taking so much time to apply your lashes, then this is the solution of your problem. As within 2 seconds, you can apply your lashes like a pro. You don't need extra time to apply your lashes. Guys, I'm going to apply the liner now. Guys, I'm going to use this 5D lash from my line, and this is the quick lash applicator from my line. It is available on my website. Hold it. You just need to hold it, and I'm going to show you how you can apply within 2 seconds. Here it is. Look at this. Look at this, guys. I took only 2 seconds to apply my 5D lashes, and I didn't take extra time because obviously this applicator helped me to apply my lash within 2 seconds. Guys, this quick lash applicator is going to make your life so much easier. That's why this is a quick lash applicator. Guys, this is amazing applicator. I'm telling you, this is going to make your life so much easier. Within 2 seconds, you can apply your lashes on. This is game changer applicator. Guys, if you find hard to choose the lash for yourself, you can inbox us. We will try our best to choose the best lash style for you. As I told you, this liner is windproof. I'm going to show you now. Guys, look at this. My lashes didn't move. You can see my lashes didn't move. I also told you this is smudge proof. So I'm going to show you how it is smudge proof. So I'm going to apply this liner here. I'm rubbing pretty hard. Guys, I'm rubbing really hard, but it is not moving. It is waterproof, smudge proof and windproof. Guys, our liner is waterproof as well. So I'm going to show you the proof. Now you can see it's waterproof. I'm rubbing really hard. It is waterproof, it's smudge proof and it's windproof as well. If you want to remove your lashes, you can peel off easily, and when you want to remove your liner, because as I told you, this liner is waterproof, smudge proof and windproof, so you can't remove with the water. You can use oil, you can use a makeup remover. Take the Q-tip and dip into the oil or makeup remover and remove your liner. It is really easy to remove. Our liner is EU Cosmetics certified. Guys, let me tell you one more thing, that our all products are on introductory offer. This offer will last only for few days, and after a couple of days we will put the original prices back. Take advantage of this offer, buy these products, try it and give us review. Guys, I'm 100% you are going to love our products. Go to www.sadafvasan.com and buy our products. Take advantage of this introductory offer and give us reviews. We are coming with lots of beautiful, wonderful products. Guys, I will see you in my next video with the new product. Keep showing me love and support, and I will keep introducing my wonderful products. I would see you in my next video. Bye bye.